In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request money on PayPal. If you need to ask someone to send you payment through PayPal, the process is quick and very straightforward. This is useful if you're collecting money for a service, sharing a bill, or simply asking someone to pay you back. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it confidently and without confusion. To begin, open PayPal and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the option that says Send and Request. This is the section where PayPal lets you either send money to someone else or create a payment request for someone to send money to you. Go ahead and click Send and Request to continue. After that, switch to the Request tab. This is important because PayPal separates sending money from asking for money, so you want to make sure you're in the correct area before moving on. Once you're on the request page, you'll be ready to choose who you want to request payment from. Now enter the details of the PayPal account you want to request money from. Depending on what information you have, you can type in the person's name, username, email address, or mobile number linked to their PayPal account. Make sure the information is accurate so the request goes to the right person. If more than one result appears, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct account before proceeding. Next, review the details and enter the amount you want to request. This is the part where you should double-check everything carefully. Make sure you're requesting the correct amount and that the recipient information looks right. Taking a few extra seconds here can help you avoid mistakes and save time later. Once everything looks good, click Next. PayPal will process the request, and that's it. Your money request will be sent to the person you selected, and they'll be able to review it and complete the payment through their PayPal account. And that's all there is to it. As a quick tip, if the payment doesn't come through right away, you may want to politely remind the person to check their PayPal notifications or email. Keeping your request clear and accurate makes the whole process smoother for both sides. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to request money on PayPal.